Ekalipi keyboard installation. The installation of the keyboard app is quite simple. Open the Google Play Store app. Search for the Ekalipi keyboard by typing Ekalipi in the search box. Click Install. After installation is complete, click the Open button. Tap on the Enable Keyboard button to turn it on. Then tap Select Ekalipi Keyboard. Choose Ekalipi Keyboard from the list to make it the default keyboard. You will also see a number of buttons such as Auto Suggestion, Always Caps On, Local English US Dictionary, and Show Conjunct Consonants. Remember, you can return to this screen and change your selections at any time by tapping on the Ekalipi Keyboard app icon on your phone. After you have used the keyboard a few times, please do not forget to rate us and also give your comments. Now exit this app settings screen. Using the Ekalipi Keyboard, open any app, for example WhatsApp. Type any message using this keyboard using the Ekalipi Keyboard show below. Then send it. The wonderful thing about this keyboard is that you can type text in any language using a single keyboard. Please tell all your friends about this great keyboard and rate it. We also have similar keyboards for the iPhone and for Windows. Thank you for watching this video.